Hey, this is Josh Nelson. I want to talk to you guys about a topic that I'm very passionate about, and it's the fact that most Americans have no retirement. Now, you know I talk about the rigged system all the time. Well, retirement is just as rigged. If you have an IRA or a 401k, ask yourself this question. How many people do you know that have actually retired on a 401k or an IRA? Now, let me tell you guys, we're not taught about money in school. We're told what to do, right? We're taught to have a good job. We're taught to have a career. And now we've got this job, we've got this 401k, and they're going to match you. Look, how many people do you know that have actually retired on a 401k? I don't know any. And I'll tell you that with what recently happened with COVID, what happened in the market affected a lot of people's retirement. Matter of fact, all across the board. What I want to share with you guys is something that I discovered a few years ago that caused me to walk away from a career where I was making over $50,000 a month to completely step away from that to step into what I call my ministry today. And it's teaching people about a method that the mega wealthy use in order to insure their income and ensure the fact that they have a tax-free retirement income. Now, we have these accounts. I'm not going to tell you what it is here. If you're interested, you can comment below or shoot me a DM. I'd be more than happy to talk with you about it. But these accounts that I discovered, which by the way, all banks use. Banks put about 25% of their tier 1 capital inside these secret accounts, right? Won't be so secret once you talk to me. And in these accounts, what happens is it gives you the ability to insure your income. Now, let me give an example. I'm on Crone.com. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys facts. I don't like people's opinions. This is actually as of 2017, so give me a break. It might be a little bit higher. But it says that the median weekly salary for Americans is $857, okay? So right here, I've got $857, okay? This represents an entire week of work for the average American, okay? $857. Now, I want you to look at this money, and most people just see money, right? Most people see $100 bills and $20 bills. I want you to look at money differently, folks. You need to look at money from a realistic perspective, okay? If somebody works 40 hours a week or 80 hours a week, this money represents those hours of time that you spent away from your family in order to make this money. Now, if you take this money, and here's the big lie, right? This is the lie that we've all fallen for. If you take this money and you go deposit it in Chase, B of A, Wells Fargo, credit union, you name the bank, they're all the same. You put this money in there, they're going to take this money, they're going to use fractional reserve banking, they're going to create loans, they're going to loan your money out. You know, I have another video that talks about that, okay? So the bank gets a win. Now, we get a loss because when we take this money and deposit it, our account balance goes up, and now we go pay our bills, right? So now I'm going to pay the car payment, I'm going to pay the mortgage, right? Which is the whole thing, right? Car payment, maybe my credit card bill. I've got to pay for water. I've got to pay for fuel. I've got to pay for groceries. I've got to pay for the kids' cheer. I've got to pay for the other kids' swimming lessons. And that leaves me about $80 to get through the rest of the week, right? Well, here's the problem. When I spend that money, I just gave away all my time and my money to all of the bill collectors. Now, is the money that I earning me or working for me to build me a tax-free retirement income? Absolutely not. Well, here's what I'm going to share you. We have an account that you can add to what you're already doing now, okay? You do nothing different other than you're going to take some of your income, you're going to put it inside your own banking system now. Here's what happens. So now you go to work the next week, and now you've got this banking system. You make the same amount of money next week, but now you're going to deposit that money into your own banking system, okay? Now that money is going to go be invested, and you're going to get a guaranteed return rate of interest on that money no matter what. No matter what, whether the market's good or bad. Every time you put your money in there, it is insured now, and it's going to be put to work, by the way, with a company that's been in business for, an industry that's been around for over 300 years, and a company that's been in business for over 100 years, okay? So now you put the money in there, and now your money is working for you, okay? All those hours that you traded to make this money are going to continue to perpetuate themselves now, because every year you're going to get a rate of return on that money, okay? Now, This account also allows you to access the money, okay, by taking a loan using your money as collateral, okay? So now you can borrow against your income and you can still go pay your bills, you can buy cars, you can buy homes, you can finance vacations. This is what the rich people do. And now, while you're paying your bills, the money that you use to pay the bill is still over here in your account. It's still working for you. It's still earning interest. Now, there's a lot more to it to this, folks, but I can tell you right now, people like James Cash Penney, the owner of J.C. Penney, Ronald McDonald, we all know the owner of McDonald's, Walt Disney, all the successful people. I'm telling you, once I tell you what this is, you can go Google it. You will be shocked and floored at the names of people that you see that are utilizing this exact same system, the Rockefellers being another one. Okay. Now, if you contact me, I'm gonna give you some books. Okay. I'm not gonna give them to you. I'm gonna show you where to get them. You cannot get them in bookstores, folks. I have a lot of them here behind me. You cannot get them in bookstores. You have to order them online, and it's because the government doesn't want this information out there the way that I'm putting it out there. So I'll just leave it at that. But you need to contact me. You can comment below. You can DM me, PM me, whatever platform that you're on. Get in touch with me. I don't charge anything. My company doesn't charge anything. We're here to show you how this works. We're here to create the banking system for you, and then we get paid by the company. You'll never pay us a dime. We will serve. Look, we have a mapping program where once you create your bank, let's say you have a lot of debt, we actually map that all out for you. We show you how to utilize your bank, pay off your debt in about 1/3 of the time. And if you're an investor, I'm going to show you how to double dip on your money. I'm going to show you how to pick up a minimum of 5% in additional ROI on your working capital than what you're getting right now doing whatever you're doing with your money. So this system is for everybody, whether you want to pay off debt or you want to add to your bottom line or you want to increase the profits. If you're an investor and you want to warehouse your capital in an environment that's safe from creditors, lawsuits, judgments, and the IRS, then contact me, DM me, PM me, comment below, and one of my associates or myself will get back to you and we'll set up a free strategy call. You can also check out our website at liveiws.com. That's liveiws.com. And again, I hope that this helped at least one person. You know, I'm here to help you guys learn things that I was never taught. I did a lot of research. You can see I've read a lot of books. I've had a lot of mentors, and I've positioned my family to actually be able to build and create wealth and protect it at the same time. So again, DM me, PM me, comment below, and I look forward to speaking to you guys. God bless.